Hi, welcome in, everybody. My child is trying to convince the teachers and the school nurse that she is sick so that she can come home. So yesterday she was trying to throw up in her classroom. And I got, hey, that's hardcore right there, right? If you can try to throw up, and so she tell the teacher she threw up, and she showed her that she threw up just a drop, so it was good. We're down $123. It's just terrible. All right, let's see what the other kids do. I bet we're down like $700 or $800 in that. The market's down like what, 1.5%? Oh, behave. Let's see. 19, 22. We're probably down $700. One oh one 115.99. So we are down $155. Wham. Cry me a river. All right, that's not bad. Not bad at all. No, what are you doing? What are you talking about? Dr. Bobby, being a fellow Gen X country boy, always brings us together with the last real country music. Exactly, Brian. I was kind of like you were, right, in that 90s country. Remember that with the George Strait and all that? Man, that was good times back then. Yeah, we loved all that stuff. We were listening to George Strait on the way home. Who else, Beth? Alan Jackson. Who else we listened to today? Oh, Keith Whitley. All day long. I can't remember the worst song. Keith Whitley, man. Alcohol poisoning. What a bad way to go. All right, what were we doing? Oh, let's look at the market. We're down 1.3%. Oh, behave. What a great day to put in a trade. Brian, you said that I've got a great voice. Oh, if I could give you mouse sugar right now, Brian. Oh, you probably talking about like Keith Whitley. Sorry, I thought he was talking about me. Beth, Brian just said I had a great voice. Beth? Nothing. She's in nothing. All right. So market down, volume down. Everybody in the Hamptons, we have breached the overnight low. Oh, behave. What's holding us up? What is this that's holding us up? Why is there support here and here? What is that? The AD is wretched at negative 331. Okay, here's the AD. Look at there, the negative 350 was a support there. Well, let's see. Let's go to the gray monster. We don't share this with everybody, though. Now keep this one to ourselves, because this really gives us our well, gap down, gap doesn't fill. We got us a what we would call a downward trend day, people. Y'all see it? Y'all see this? Trend down. Now, the problem about a trend down day is in the last 30 minutes, it normally reverses trend. Normally. Well, we don't know if that's going to happen today in the last hour, 30 minutes, but normally trend down, then reverse trend in the last hour to 30 minutes. So it'll be interesting if we get a little bump in the final 30 minutes of the day. Now, the cool thing is we know that when we were here yesterday, we said, hey, this is kind of bearish, right? We're going to go down to the point of control. We're overbought for the fair value zone below. So we are definitely looking at next week, probably headed back into the fair value zone here, overbought for oversold. That would further be confirmed by our suspicions of the linear regression. Now, remember yesterday, we were like, hey, is this thing shifting some? And indeed it did. Remember, we drew right along the line. And so look, this thing is shifting up, right? So this is shifting up, but I still believe we're in a downward pattern. I still believe that we're going to go down. I still believe that this 200 daily moving average, let that dog out for the love, is going to be, okay, thank you. Oh, your keys, unbelievable, Beth. I'm going to take you to raise. Oh, what'd you say? Okay, they're not in my pocket, so I bet I left them in the car. Unbelievable. Okay, so look at this, y'all. So we bounced off where the linear regression was yesterday. Check that out. And now we're headed downward. We believe that we've got much farther downward to go, even though everybody said, I don't know, Bob. I think the old bear market is over. Look here. Here's what they're saying. Look at there. And who could deny them, except for the fact that we are in a longer term downward trend, right? So this is just a counter trend to the main trend. And I believe we're going lower, baby. Let's see what our volume's doing. Look at this red bar. See this volume level here? That's pretty big. Followed by a green day. Is that a green day yesterday? Well, nothing day really, with less volume. And then less volume today, but it looks like the less volume is going to take out the green volume from yesterday. Oh, I'm sorry. I got too much sugar in me. We got a ice cream from the Lord's Chicken Place, Chick-fil-A, which is really good. Coach says paused at 50% retracement. What are you talking about, Paul? What are you talking about, Coach? 50% retracement. 50% retracement. Are you talking about on our Green Monster? It sounds like you're talking films to me, which is kind of good. I like that. All right. So, do we know anything? We don't know anything. All we know is that we've got a positive expectancy on our trade. We did it yesterday. Y'all remember? Every trade we put on, we're making 40 something dollars. What was it? $44. So why don't we put on 100 of them? Well, we will. And you can't just put them all on at the same time because you're going, oh man, we got a positive expectancy. We got to keep our positive expectancy going. So let's look at our Greekies today, as we always do. Greek. Let's go get them over here. So we know what the market's doing. Market's down big. Great day to sell premium, right? Great day to sell premium. We got VIX up to like 24 or so. So we're going to do some premium selling. 31.10 on our deltas. Now, y'all, 30, what was it? 30, unbelievable. Oh, getting old is so bad. 31.04. So our deltas, y'all, are kind of getting up there. Look at this. We don't want to go more than 40, right? 40 is our max. We're at 31. Okay, we got to monitor that. How's our little theta looking? Theta beta is 46.74. That looks good. I said that looks good. 46.74. Look at this, y'all. 46.74. So we're at 0.18. That's good. Uh-oh, what's happening with this buying power? We don't need to be over 35%. 83.01. Ooh. 83.01. We used an extra $1,000. We are at 31%, y'all. With a VIX at 20, was it 24 when I looked earlier? VIX at 24. VIX is only 20.77. Okay, 20.77. Then we can be up to 35%. So I'm on the dance floor, baby, of almost not being able to put on a new trade, right? I can use 35%, but if it goes down less into the teens, right here with our VIX, then I'll be a max at 30%, and I won't be putting on any more trades for a while. But no problem. Let's go to the other account. See what our Greeks are over here. Now, 42.25. Let's put that in. 42.25. Do not forget, we've got a great class coming up on Monday. The class is at, I think, 1 o'clock Eastern time. And we're going to be talking about our spreadsheet. So y'all don't want to miss that. 69.83. Then on Tuesday at 3 Eastern, look at there, we're building that up, y'all. Ed, Notional Ed, is going to have his section with all y'all. So y'all be looking forward to that. And he's calling it something about trees and forests. Ed, what's it called? Trees, forests, something. That'll be great. What is it? Probably doing something with his dog. All right. So we got 152, which would be maximum there. We're under allocated on theta. We are under allocated on buying power. So this says trade away. The other one almost says, the other account says, you know what, Bob, you're kind of getting close, baby, to being maxed out. So slow your roll, baby. Slow your roll. But we're going to try to take off the trade too, right? So let's see what we can do. All right. I think I may try to take off a trade before we put on a trade. Let's see if we can do that. Let's go back to Crimson again. And Crimson, Crimson, Crimson. Let's get our groups. Where's my groups? Group. All right, here we go. So negative 99. We know that that's a farce because it doesn't have our, I don't know, 42, 61, 15, 0, 10. This one we took off yesterday. So let's clean it up, get it going. Negative 5, 52, 44, negative 32. Yeah, this is as good as it gets. 52, 61. Hi there. My name's Bob. Do you come here often? Yes, I really do. Okay. This is not the one that you go, oh man, yes, I have found the lady of the evening here, right? This is not all that good, but let's take us $30 profit and become now. A lot of discussion in our Discord room that these trades are made to take to expiration. Okay, I can buy that. Problem is, I can't take them to expiration, y'all, right now because I'm getting too big in this account. I gotta close it. I got to. Now I know what you're saying, Bob. Won't you do this? Won't you take the profit from this and leave the hedge on? Well, that ain't how I set that one up, and I don't want to mess it up. So I'm gonna take the whole thing.
Hey, Bobby.
Hey, Ed.
Sorry, I couldn't find the microphone button earlier.
Okay, Ed, I thought you was probably playing with your dog or something.
It's building a forest tree by tree. Look, on this trade, just can I throw something out? I'm going to be Ed on this. What if you cover the two naked puts, leave the put debit spread in place, and then put on another naked put underneath it? You still have 42 days to go. So are you about to do another 42-day put debit spread?
Yeah, I'm about to put a whole new trade on for sure. Hold on a second. Okay. 2 of the 34 10s. And y'all see what Ed's saying. He's saying, hey, look, hey, Tubby, you've already got this paid for, right? Won't you take this off, take your 52% profit? And then he's saying, sell one farther down, in time, right? Because the market's done nothing but go up, except for the last day or so. And sell one farther away from the money. So if you go to the 3410, let's see what that 3410 is at. 3410.
I'm looking at like the 3630 would pay you about $10.
Yeah, so look at this, y'all. This thing right now that we sold for $10 is worth, $25 and $6. Right? So I mean, I get what Ed's saying, right? I get what Ed is saying. No doubt.
Or just leave that stinker on.
I'm just going to take it off. I know what Ed's saying, y'all. Keep in mind, Ed's bringing up something very, very good. He said, hey, blah, 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 blah. It's just that my accounting would drive me nuts. Really would. So I'm going to try to get out of it. Close the whole thing. But Ed, I'm not poo-pooing on what you're saying. I understand what you're saying. It has merit. It's just that it's going to mess my accounting up. And I don't want to spend time on it.
All good, brother.
But what he said has merit. Y'all can run it that way. You can do it. No doubt about it. I'm fine with that. So we took off the 11240 for $5. I'm good with that. Absolutely. It's just it would mess my accounting up. 11240. Look at there, y'all. My oldest trade. We're gonna take it off for $5. We're gonna get my money. 8, 19, 22. And it's gonna give us $24.49. How does Daddy do this stuff? Let me let Dwayne in for a second. Hey, what happened, Bob? Go grab yourself, man. There we go. Look at all green. There we go. Oh, I love the green, y'all. Look at that. Green. Oh, red. All right, so here we go. So we got green, and we made us $24.49. Let's go put it in our wonderful little profit calendar. $24.49, so we can see what we did this week. 24.49. We needed to make $105 this week, y'all. We are over performers as we often are. And we made 24.40. God. Make it work. It's there. I'm not gonna put it in. Fix that later. 24.49. So we made $144.14 so far. So what have we made this month? Let's see what we've done this month. We've done 202.90 plus 158.33 plus 144.14 equals 505.36. Anyway, all right, save it. Now, where did I get the 105? So I got the 105 from this, right? That says, hey, man, you need to make $106 a week to keep this 20.92% that you got going on going. So we're overperforming. We're capturing 57% premium. I wish that was higher. I really do. And the only way for it to get higher is for me to let some of these trades stew a little bit, right? To let them ripen a little bit, but we're good. And it says my day is complete. So my day is complete. I have sold the recommended guide of $186 a premium today. So I don't have to put on any additional risk today. None at all. But do I want to? Do I want to sell premium on a day when the market is down 1.3%? Oh, heck yeah. So let's go over here and let's pick a trade. Let's go here and do our thing. So trade table 43, if I can find something, right? I don't like overlapping my strikes. Long put vertical 50 wide. I bet I won't find jack squat crap. 4170, 4220. This is 1750. We're gonna move our strikes down where we can do that thing for $10. Buy above my sale, right? I got buy one, sell one. Let's see if I got any strikes in here. Bobby, you can widen your strikes. Yeah, I could. I could definitely do that. I can do a 40-10, 4160 for $36.25. I don't see anything. I got so much stuff. I got so much crap in here. I'm gonna clear this. We're gonna go out to our 63 days, 64 days. Now, out in time. 4170, 1750. There we go. We'll move it down. Come on, baby. Don't cross them up. 11, 1075, 1050, 1025, 10, and that should be 975. Here, 3950, 4,975, moved up $10. Hopefully, we pray that we get filled, and she'll want. We're done. All right, now it's a big down day. I'm probably going to do a 111. I'm gonna go down to about 20 or so. Maybe this 3640. Move it toward the mid price. That'd be a nice credit of 2120. Fill me, baby. Fill me, darling. 21.25. Let's try $21. There we go. So we're filled on our 111. I'm exhausted already, y'all. All right, so we got feet. Let's move this over to the side. Let's go back and do this trade over here. So we'll go, let's see, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go and trade in the Crimson Kim. Can't do it in 42 days because I'll overlap strikes. So we're gonna go 63 days. And we're gonna go, we'll sell the 3640. 3640. What delta is that? 3640 is a 9 delta, 10% probability of being in the money. So we'll sell that. I can live with that. 3640. And 4,039.50. 4,039.50. Buy the 4,000. Hold your control key down. Hold your control key down and sell the 39.50 for 11.50. 11.50. Let's see if we can get 11.50. Come here, baby. 11.50, baby. $468 in buying power. Oh yeah, sign me up. It's placed. And let's go less advantageous. We sell it for 11.25. Come on, baby. There we go, 11.25. Now, we know that I need to put some buying power to work in the other account. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that trade, right click, duplicate order. I'm going to move my accounts to my other account. And then I'm going to do 3 tranches, y'all. 3 tranches, not tranches. Tranches. All right, for 11.25. Let's see if we can get filled with those 3. $1,700 worth of buying power, and fill me, baby. Yeah, I like it a lot. So let's go put this in 11.25 in the micro. Now, remember, you can run these things separate now. We've got a spreadsheet built that you can do them separate. No big deal. All different kind of ways that you can do it. No need to overthink it though. 1 tranche in the encryption account. We're going to call this a 11117. 1117. And our strikes are 4,000, 39.50, 36.40, puts 111, 63 days, 8/19/22. We got a high school football game tonight. I cannot wait. We brought in premium of $51.84. Beautiful. Let's go and put it in the IRA account. I said let IRA account. Yes. 3 tranches. Why 3 tranches? Because we got a great down day. Great day to sell some premium, y'all. 1, 1, 1. We'll have to call this one the 18th. 11118, 4,000, 39.50, 36.40, puts. So Beth and I went today, it's date day, and we went to we wanted Chinese really bad. And I don't want to talk about it anymore. I know I made some of y'all sick last time, but we can't go to the normal Chinese place because y'all know the issue that we had with the broccoli beef that people posted on Facebook. I told you about that, and we're not going to say it. We're not going to say it. But I just can't eat there ever again, I don't think. So what we did is we went to another Chinese place that I'd never been to today, and it was delicious. A little smaller portion, which is not bad if you're robust and obese like me. So that wasn't that bad, but it was really, really good. And we didn't think about the problem at the old place, which I love the old place. I don't know how I'll ever survive. I was like, I may never get to eat Chinese again, but I found a place that was really, really good. Now, the only problem is the place that we went today is not kid friendly. So since it was a date day with me and Beth, it's very good. But the woman who owns it, she's Chinese and she hates kids apparently. So like she doesn't even have high chairs in there because me know like a kids. So, and I've heard countless people say she know like a kids. She just know like a. So, and I got 5 kids, so it's hard to go to a place that doesn't like kids. But apparently they have no problem with adults because we were just fine. So it was great. So we'll do that a lot, maybe for date day now. The kids are back. It's good. All right, so everybody see why I sold 3 in this count. My normal tranche size is 2. But look, on all these up days, I've just been selling 1. And we had a good down day here. I sold 3. And a good down day here. I sold 3. All right, so let's go put them in their little groups. This one is 11118. Let's go find it. 11118. Oh, it looks so good getting 3 tranches in. Bobby, I'm scared the market's going to go down. You just said the market's going to, I don't know anything. I can't be scared. Can't be scared. 11118. You got to pull the trigger monkey. Got to. Oh, already in use. Well, it ain't on my spreadsheet, is it? 11118. There it is. Dag it. That's gonna make that 19. Well, thank you, William, for telling me we had an issue. 11119, dag it. Dad nabbit. What? We got 11119 too? Well, where the devil is it? Hold on. Let's come back. Jeez Louise. Oh, there it is. Why didn't you tell me? Unbelievable. It's gonna be 11120. Jeez Louise. Look. Get in there, dang it. 20. Now don't tell me there's one already of those in existence. 11120. Well, I'm exhausted. Now for my nap. 11120. There we go. Now, what did we say it was in the other account? I probably got it on too. 111, 15, 16, 17. Let's go put that one in. 111, 17. Crimson. I said Crimson. 117. 117. Yeah, Chinese is so good. And you know how they get the meat so tenderized? It's called something where they put the cornstarch on it. What is that called? It starts with a V. Oh, it's my favorite food. And did y'all know I had never eaten Chinese until I was in college? A friend of mine wanted to go, and I said, dude, I just don't know about that, man. What is that? You know, I mean, you talk about somebody who grew up on cornbread and taters every day. So going to Chinese, I was like, what is that? And ever since, I have been an addict, baby. I love me some Chinese. All right, so let's go back to the other account because we got to go find us something to close. We don't have to close in this account, right? We can be 69, 66. Well, hello, ladies. 82%. Come here often, huh? Where's my button?
Hello, ladies.
Oh, ladies. Unbelievable. 80%, 68%. I'm feeling good. 61, 69, 52, 44. Yeah. I mean, if you're at 80%, baby, ring the register. Well, Bob, there's a lot of things. I know there's a lot of things I could do with it. But, you know, I said, close it, baby. Take your profit. Hit the button, monkey. And look, we're getting closer to that 21 days on that, which is kind of when we want to have it off. At least the naked component. So let's go here. We got to buy 2 of the 35 30s. 2 of the 35 30s. I said 2 of the 35 30s. Where are you, 35 30? Come here, little fella. 35 30. And there. Control 2 of the 35 30. So we could get a $3 debit to get out of Dodge. Let's see if we can get out $3. I said let's should have 3 1/4. Everybody's at the Hamptons. Nobody wants to help me. Nobody's trying to help me. Everybody's got to get to the parties. Now for 3 1/4. All right, so let's take our profit on that. And that was just one tranche too, right? So that's kind of cool. So we've taken the 111 or 112.39 at 3 1/4. 112.39. Where are you? Look at there, our oldest trade. And we got out at 3 1/4. So we made a profit though. How did Daddy do? Was it enough to buy the ice cream that I got from the Chick-fil-A today? $46.99. I like it. I like it pretty much. $46.99. Come on. Come on, Jack. $46.99. Save it. Let's bring our profit calendar up. $46.99. Let's see how much money we made on here. $46.99. And I like what I've been doing. Trade, closing one, take a day off. Close one, take a day off. $46.99. Okay, $119. least the numbers are. So add that so far, so we made 505 in the other account, and in this account we made plus 235.86 plus 215.39. So this will be the total of both accounts, right? So far with 3 weeks in August plus 192.72 equals $1,076.34. Now I'm exhausted. All right, questions, comments, everybody good? Everyone's heart content. All right, look, y'all, have a great weekend. That's it. I will see y'all.